Vegetable salad with salmon. Ayan. So, yan ang ating dinner for tonight, guys. Ayan, nagprito lang ako dyan ng salmon. Tapos, blanch ko lang yung bell pepper. Ayan, tapos nagyan ko siya ng kamatis. Yung baby tomato. Yan, tapos may raisins. Yan. Ganyan lang kasimple ang aming dinner, guys. Yan, may lettuce. Yan, yung iba-ibang kulay yung lettuce. Yan si guys. Bisi-bisihan ng iyong inday. Yan, tapos lagyan lang namin yan, guys, ng balsamic vinegar at saka olive oil. Yan, ganyan lang kasimple, guys. Tapos may niluto akong soup. Yan yung